Blocker lines are extremely important to KiwiRail. It gives us the opportunity to get dedicated track access. So this is a 3-day blocker line. This is focusing on a critical part of our network, and we're working 24/7 across those 3 days. In terms of some of the other logistics of this blocker line, we've got 4 dedicated sites. We're doing the turnouts at Heathcote. We're re-sleepering at Bridge 7. We're doing some re-sleepering down at Hornby. And obviously we've got the massive operation here at Matapai Street where we're doing the 4-level crossings. So it's a huge operation. We've been planning this for months and months and months. And it's a credit to the whole KiwiRail team that we've been able to get in this supply chain issues that we've got across not only New Zealand but the world, that we've been able to get all the materials and everything on site. But the key to this operation is our boots on the ground and our team that are making this happen. We've got a dedicated team that have been working over this 3 days, and there's 90 of us. The last couple of days have been really beautiful Canterbury winter days, blue sky and sun, which has been great for our teams. Today we've got a little bit of a rain and the southerly ripping through, but that's okay. The blocker line goes on irrespective of all the conditions, and it's a real testament to our teams and our crews that they just want to get stuck in, get the job done, doesn't matter what the conditions are.
So at the moment we've got a May blocker line on. I've been planning this for 8 months, pretty much. All my ARNIP jobs, all my renewals job I can't do them during working days because of our train movements in Christchurch. Blocker line means that I can shut the track and do basically 60% of my ARNIP jobs all at once. This job behind me, we're a couple of hours ahead of schedules. Heathcote's well ahead, we're a couple of hours there as well. And all the other jobs is cruising along, they're right on track. We've got teams from Otago, Marlborough area and Canterbury. And we've got about 7 different high rail digger companies here we're using. And overall there's about 10 different contractors. It's going to be more reliable for the future and also for the public.
The Rail Network Investment Plan, which we call ARNIP, has been critical for this blocker line. Without that funding, this blocker line wouldn't have been achieved in such a short time. We're investing over $5 million worth of capital into this project. The other key thing about ARNIP is actually investing in the right and critical parts of our network. So if you think about here to LPC from the Middleton Depot north to Lyttelton Port, that's our golden mile. We have 40 trains a day that go through there. So making sure that we've got the track in the right condition for our rail operations staff to operate, to get that purity of service and reliability into our networks, just absolutely huge for us. Across the South Island, we've started to realign the track and do the track maintenance in Picton, which is great. That's all part of the IREX project. We've got the Waltham mechanical site, which has started to be constructed. That's $40 million. We're obviously doing a lot of work around Middleton in terms of our facilities, and then there's Hillside down the deep south. The other exciting thing for the South Island is the new locomotives. We're buying 57 new locomotives. The prototypes are getting built now. As we rebuild the railway with the new ships and the new investment in the below the rail, really exciting times for KiwiRail, and that's where we're going to be able to provide great service for our customers, as well as also having the capability to grow in the future and be self-sustainable as an organisation. So, really proud of that.